Namaskar, this is Bonali Misha for Any24 channel. At Sarda Villa Gyanjyoti Senior Secondary School on Friday at 9:30 am, the grand opening ceremony of the annual Sports Festival 2025 was held at the school sports hall. Enthusiastic participation of students, teachers, and guests can be seen in this two-day sports festival. In the event, District Sports Association former President Babul Hor, honorable guest Professor Mr. Ganabhushan Molankal, Assam University, Sobraj Gurung, General Secretary of Barak Valley Regional Branch of Assam Gorkha Conference, Silchar, and prominent personality of Silchar, Uday Shankar Goswami, were present as special guests. On this day, the principal of the school, Aparna Philip, first honored the guests sitting on the stage by giving the northerners around the neck and handing over wreaths and mementos. The guests emphasized the school's commitment to developing young talent and the importance of sports in building discipline and team spirit. The opening ceremony marks an inspiring start to the two-day festival, which hosts various athletic competitions and team events. The school community looks forward to enjoying a vibrant and competitive sports festival, which will celebrate sportsmanship and unity. Principal Aparna Phillips said in her speech, Charleville School is trying to develop physical and mental development through games and yoga, along with studies of the whole country. Through these games, teachers play an important role in uniting students and teachers. Regular sports and exercise practice is essential for the mental development of our students in the pursuit of education. Rimi Deka, Asima Devi, Sucharik Nath, Payal Banik, Kakoli Kar, Aparup Sharkar, Anand Kishore Singh, Krishnendu Dutt, sports teacher Ramesh Chetri, and other teachers and employees of all levels were in cooperation on this day. For more news and update, subscribe our channel Any24 and follow Facebook page.
सभी महानुभावों को मैं अंतर से अपना आभार प्रकट करता हूँ। यहाँ बैठे हुए गार्जियन जो आए हैं, बच्चों का जो बच्चे इस स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं, गार्जियन जो आए हैं, बच्चे जो हैं, यहाँ का शिक्षक शिक्षिका और नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ जो हैं, सभी को मैं अपना अंतर से अभिनंदन करते हुए एक ही बात बोलूँगा कि अभी अभी जो आप लोग का मार्च पास्ट हुआ, इसमें देखिए एक टीम स्पिरिट आती है, जो स्पिरिट से आप लोग कदम से कदम मिलाकर चल रहे थे, वो चीज़ ऐसे रास्ते में जब चलते हैं तो नहीं होता है। तो जैसे पढ़ाई की ज़रूरत है, देश को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए, स्कूल को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए, समाज को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए हम लोगों को कदम से कदम मिला करके चलने का आदत करना पड़ेगा। और आदमी कहते हैं, सभी कहते हैं कि स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट क्या है? ये एक दल हो करके वो जो हम लोगों को आगे बढ़ने का, और खेल कूद हो या जीवन का लड़ाई हो, जो भी हो, उसमें हम लोग कैसे आगे बढ़ेंगे, एक साथ 10 मिल करके जो करेंगे, उसी को हम लोग यहाँ खेल के मैदान से सीखते हैं।
Annual sports of the school is no doubt a great occasion, and naturally students long for these days. Importance of annual sports of a school can never be ignored. It is an accepted truth that education and sports must go hand in hand.
I have been associated with Sarla Birla Group of Schools for over a decade now, and my happiness knows no limits when I see our students performing equally great in scholastic as well as in sports. I have dependably trusted that co-curricular activities should be a vital part of each student's life. I strongly believe sports plays an important role in society, for it is capable of conveying basic rules and essential values of peaceful coexistence. It is not about a simple game being played, but much more than that. It is full of life's lessons. It teaches us about failure, joy, discipline, respect, friendship, leadership, resilience, excitement, winning and losing, teamwork, and overcoming adversity. Ethics learned on these such occasions always remains with us. School Annual Sports Day is an important day on the calendar for an educational institution. It is a day for a mother to put her children on their toes and for fathers to cheer for their little ones. It is a day for fun and frolic, cameras and videos, red faces, sweats, smiles and cheers, medals and certificates. Overall, it is a day of celebration. It's a day for sportsmanship and making memories. Today, on this occasion of our honorable guests, we are thankful that you have accepted our invitation to witness, and we are very grateful and happy that our parents are with us. We have come to witness this program. And on this occasion of our annual sports day, you will get a glimpse of the enthusiasms and the energy our children have. I request you all to clap, applaud after each event. So my dear students, this moment is yours and yours only. Take charge, seize this moment and allow it to propel you to the high level of empowered life and plant seeds of your happiness and success. Thank you.
It gives me immense pleasure to be part of this event. For parents, other than children, it is just a recreational time. हम सबके लिए तो 1 घंटा 2 घंटे के लिए बहुत अच्छा लगा, हमको ऐसा लगेगा. But for children, those who are part of it, those who are part of this entire episode, it's a life lesson. बच्चा वापस जब घर जाता है तो वो पूरा जिंदगी भर याद रखता है कि उसने आज क्या किया. सो फॉर अस ये हाफ एन आवर का रिक्रिएशन है, बट बच्चों के लिए एक गेम चेंजर है. इतना बड़ा गेम चेंजर है. अगर एक लड़के को हम बोल देंगे कि जाके बेटा वहाँ डांस करो, वो नहीं कर पाएगा.